Well, there are various degrees of victimization. A child can be victimized by witnessing or experiencing minor offense, and a child could be victimized by a severe sexual assault, or a child may be traumatized by witnessing, for example, an attempt homicide. So there are a wide ranges of offenses and incidences where a child can be victimized.
Children may experience trauma from these types of victimizations. They may also experience it from such things as bullying, dating violence, or robbery. They may be victims of neglect or physical or sexual assault, such as sexual interference or sexual exploitation.
There are many factors involved in the victimization. So, for example, the child's relationship with the offender, the length of time the offence may have lasted, so the duration, years, months, or one time, whether the child was violently assaulted or whether the offence was relatively minor.
The trauma may be experienced over a long period of time and involve a number of events, such as childhood sexual abuse.
Children can experience reactions to a trauma they may have witnessed or experienced, depending on the child's age, stage of development, and the violence or the trauma that they have witnessed.
It is not uncommon for children to display a wide range of physical and or emotional reactions after experiencing a sudden disturbing event. Some reactions may occur suddenly, while others occur more slowly over a period of time.
Not all children experience trauma reactions, but the common ones that could be experienced by children would include, for little ones, emotional regression. For older children, adolescents, teens, they may have distressing thoughts of what had happened when they least expect them. Their concentration may be affected at school. They may be experiencing sleep disturbance, nightmares, afraid to go to sleep, worried about waking up. They may remember distressing and frightening incidents when they least expect it.
Other common trauma reactions children may exhibit include becoming clingy, whiny, not willing to let you out of their sight. Children may experience stomach aches, headaches, nausea, or vomiting. They may become quiet and withdrawn, not wanting to talk about the experience. They may also revert into previous bad habits such as thumb sucking, wanting a bottle, or younger children may want their soother again. They may begin wetting the bed or acting out by becoming more aggressive with siblings or throwing and breaking things. And finally, they may not want to go to school or do some of the things that they did before. There are things you can do to help your child cope with trauma. Talk to your child, answer their questions patiently, give simple, accurate information, and correct any misunderstandings. Provide them with emotional support and let them know that talking actually helps. Routines are helpful for children who have experienced trauma. Resuming the normal daily routines as soon as possible will help children adjust to new situations. Reassure your children when they are angry or sad. Don't criticize their behavior or tell them that they are acting like a baby. Spend more time with your child, especially at bedtime when they may be more anxious. Offer them extra assurances, such as a nightlight or reminders that you are nearby. Observe your child at play and listen for concerns that may be expressed through play activities. Children may express emotions such as anger, fear, or insecurities while playing with toys or in games. Ask for help for yourself or for your child if any of these symptoms or behaviors persist for a long period of time. Contact your doctor, school counselors, pastor, or other mental health professionals. There are people in your community who understand and can help. It's important to note that trauma reactions do not solely affect the victim. They may also affect those who are close to them.
So what we know is that there's secondary trauma to people who are in a position to support the victim and survivor. And we really feel that it's important as well to acknowledge that together and to provide them with support and education. It's a wonderful part of the work that I do with people. It's a gift to watch people take this journey and to see them heal and recover over time. It does require some patience and some resilience, but again, I'm never cease to be amazed by the strength and resilience and courage that people have to take this walk and to find their way again. And in fact, in most cases, people to report that they feel better in their own skin after some time.